Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Maintain slowest practical speed. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. November Juliet Oscar Echo Super. Maintain 170 knots or greater. Maintain 170 knots or greater. 5 November Juliet Oscar Echo Super. Detail Director, with you at 6,000. Radar contact, say approach request. Is 4 nautical miles east of Raft Airport at 6,000 feet, requesting GPS approach runway 9 right at London Heathrow. Unable to provide services to this airport at the moment. Proceed on course. Roger. Expect vectors for the GPS approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. Roger. Requesting descent to 4,000. 5 November Juliet Oscar Echo Super is 5 nautical miles southeast of Damon's Hall at 5,000 feet, requesting ILS approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. November Juliet Oscar Echo Super, continuous file, expecting ILS approach runway 27 left at London Heathrow. 5 November Juliet Oscar Echo Super, cleared ILS runway 27 left approach. Maintain current altitude until established on the localizer, cleared ILS runway 27 left, 5 November Juliet Oscar Echo Super. Detail Director, Speedbird 374 Heavy, with you at 5,000. Speedbird 374 Heavy, radar contact. Speedbird 374 Heavy, turn left heading 310. Turn left heading 310, Speedbird 374 Heavy. Detail Director, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Turn right heading 150. Turn right heading 150. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super is 4 nautical miles southwest. Attention all aircraft. Airspace is crowded, expect delays. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super, expect vectors for the visual approach runway 27. Roger, Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Maintain 180 knots or greater. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Stand by. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Maintain 2,500. Maintain 2,500. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Maintain 3,500. Maintain 3,500. Speedbird 374 Heavy, turn left heading 27. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super, requesting descent to 1,500. Stand by. Turn left heading 270, Speedbird 374 Heavy. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Climb and maintain 2,500. Cleared visual runway 27 left. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Stand by. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Contact London Heathrow Tower. Contacting London Heathrow Tower on 11.5. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. London Heathrow Tower, Lufthansa 276. London Heathrow Tower, Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Inbound on the visual runway 27 left. London Heathrow Tower, United 1253 Heavy. Ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing west. Going around, Air India 171 Heavy. Roger, Air India 171 Heavy. London Heathrow Tower, November 744 Alpha Golf. Ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern. Line up and wait runway 27 left, Aeroflot 667 Heavy. London Heathrow Tower, United 1253 Heavy. Ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing west. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, November 744 Alpha Golf.
Dynasty 2353 Heavy, request frequency change.
London Heathrow Tower, Speedbird 374 Heavy at 27 nautical miles to the east at 3,700 feet, inbound for landing.
Frequency change approved. Dynasty 2353 Heavy, good day.
London Heathrow Tower, United 1253 Heavy. ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing west.
London Heathrow Tower, United 310 is heavy, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing east.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Aeroflot 667 heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, Delta 9274, ready for departure at runway 27 right, remaining in the pattern.
London Heathrow Tower, Lufthansa 276 Hotel Oscar, ready for departure at runway 27 left, departing straight out.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Delta 9274.
London Heathrow Tower, Air India 171 heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left.
London Heathrow Tower, Air France 457 heavy, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern. United 609 Super, request frequency change. Holding short runway 27 left, Air France 457 heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, Air India 171 heavy, inbound on the ILS runway 27 left. London Heathrow Tower, 5 November Juliet Oscar Echo Sugar at 5 nautical miles to the east at 1,400 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 left. London Heathrow Tower, United 1253 heavy, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing west. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 right, Air India 171 heavy. Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super, is on final runway 27 left, touch and go. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super, is on final runway 27 left, full stop.
Delta 9274, request frequency change. Frequency change approved Delta 9274, good day.
London Heathrow Tower, United 1253 heavy, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, departing west.
Stand by, United 609 Super.
Romeo Alpha 12345 heavy, is on final runway 27 left, full stop.
Line up and wait runway 27 left, Air France 457 heavy.
London Heathrow Tower, Delta 1907, ready for departure in sequence at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern.
London Heathrow Tower, Delta Uniform Foxtrot Foxtrot, ready for departure at runway 27 right, departing east.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Air France 457 Heavy.
Holding short runway 27 left, Delta 1907.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 right, Delta Uniform Foxtrot Foxtrot. Romeo Alpha 12345 Heavy, is on final runway 27 left, full stop. London Heathrow Tower, Circuit 2107 Cougar at 17 nautical miles to the southeast of 3,800 feet, inbound for landing, requesting runway 27 left.
Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, Delta 1907.
Number 1, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Romeo Alpha 12345 Heavy. London Heathrow Tower, November 104 Charlie Papa, ready for departure at runway 27 left, remaining in the pattern. Number 3, cleared to land, runway 27 left, Circuit 2107 Super. Cleared for takeoff, runway 27 left, November 104 Charlie Papa. London Heathrow Tower, American 777 Alpha Alpha. November 361 November Juliet, request permission to cross runway 27 right.
London Heathrow Ground, Air Algerie 796 Heavy.
London Heathrow Ground, Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super, request taxi to remote booth 602 at the cargo apron. November 361 November Juliet, follow aircraft ahead. Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray. Taxi departing, Lufthansa Cargo 977 X-Ray Alpha Super. Ukraine International 662, pushback approved. Pushback approved, Ukraine International 662. Air India 640 flight of 2, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, Air India 640 flight of 2. Wilco, November 361 November Juliet. London Heathrow Ground, Alitalia 3948, ready for pushback. London Heathrow Ground, November 744 Alpha Golf, ready for pushback, requesting runway 27 left. November 744 Alpha Golf, hold position. Holding position, November 744 Alpha Golf. November 263 Zulu Juliet, contact London Heathrow Tower on 118.5. Attention all aircraft, frequency is busy, transmit important messages. November 744 Alpha Golf, pushback approved, tail to the north. Pushback approved, tail to the north, November 744 Alpha Golf.
London Heathrow Ground, United 609 Super, ready to taxi.
Emirates 1305 Heavy, turn left next taxiway. United 609 Super, taxi to runway 27 left, contact tower when ready. Left on the next taxiway, Emirates 1305 Heavy. Emirates 1305 Heavy, thank you, good day. Mike Romeo Juliet, thank you, good day. London Heathrow Ground, Ukraine International 662, ready to taxi to runway 9 right. London Heathrow Ground, Air India 640 flight of 2, ready to taxi.